Hey, what's up YouTube? Gonna try out some Red Baron deep dish pizzas on the Piezano extra large 14-inch pizza cooker. I preheated it to 600 on the top and the bottom, and we're gonna go ahead and cook it for 11 minutes. So we've got them on a pizza peel. These are right out of the freezer, frozen. I did not thaw them out, even though the instructions recommend doing that. I did not. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put them in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn our handles on the side here all the way over to the left, and then as it cooks, I'm going to just rotate them a little bit each time so that they cook evenly. So go ahead and we'll set a timer for 11 minutes, and then I will cut it apart and see what we got. It says set timer for 11 minutes.
11 minutes, starting now.
Stop timer. All right, so it's been 11 minutes at 600. Looks like we got them a little bit crispy here, so go ahead and let them rest for about 2 minutes, and we'll cut them open and see how cooked they are on the inside. And I will show you the bottom and everything too. This may have been maybe a hair too hot or too long, possibly. So set timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
Stop timer. All right, so just let it rest for 2 minutes here. So this thing definitely got extra crispy, crisper than I like it. So go ahead and cut it up, cut it in half, then we'll see how it cooked on the inside. And that actually looks like it cooked okay. I'll try a piece of the non-burned part here. Still piping hot. Tastes okay. It's a little bit doughy for me. Has anybody ever tried doing these deep dish on the Piezano? If you have, let me know in the comments. I think I need to go back to the drawing board on this. This definitely didn't turn out as good as I hoped it would. But you'll be seeing this, and I'm going to post it anyway. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.